With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello students. Question is, which of the following is not conserved in inelastic collision? Kinetic energy, momentum, neither momentum nor kinetic energy, both momentum and kinetic energy. Let's explain. In case of inelastic collision, total momentum is conserved before collision and after collision, but total kinetic energy is not conserved. Kinetic energy is not conserved. So we can say that option number 1 is correct.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.